Hey guys, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to show you guys how you can start better using SEO ranking to basically conduct better SEO analysis for the brand or website that you might be working on. So for today, we're going to show you guys how you can kind of mess around with the email notifications on SEO ranking so you can get updates for two specific things: important service emails and backlinks updates. So in another video we went over backlinks, but just in case you don't know, backlinks are links on websites other than your own that go back to the page on your website. Backlinks are also called inbound links because they represent another website's traffic coming to your own site. Now this is really important when it comes to SEO, so let's just get straight into it on how you can start getting updates on this. So right now we're just on the main dashboard of SEO ranking, and what you're going to want to head over to is the profile button on the upper right corner of this page. It's usually indicated by the first letter of your name. Here in my case it's M followed by a dash, and it's usually covered by a square, in this case a white square. And if you were to hover your mouse over it, you're going to see a drop-down menu with different buttons such as settings, users, white label, subscription, bonus offers, affiliate program, and a logout button. So in this case we're going to want to head over to settings, and I'm just going to click this, let the page load. And now that we're here, as you can see on the left hand side, you're going to see that the buttons under the All Projects tab over here has changed. So now we have a new list of menu buttons that correspond to the settings page, and under settings from this drop down menu over here, as you can see where I'm clicking, you're going to see a little section or tab or button in this case called notifications. So let's just click that. Here you can see that you're getting a lot of subscription settings that you can now subscribe to. The ones that are really important you're going to want to take note of are the important service emails and backlinks updates. As you can see, SEO ranking has actually also updated their email notifications so that you can actually get product updates and news once a month, blog digest once a month, announcement on news and upcoming events, and discounts and special offers. Now, depending on what you want, in this case, I'm only really focused on getting the important emails regarding my projects. I'm just going to remove everything down here because these four are more for product subscriptions to the SEO rankings product or tool in this case, whereas the first two have more to do with your own projects and analysis happening on the website. So once you're happy with this, just hit apply changes. And now anytime you get an important service email or some sort of update in regards to backlinks, it should appear directly on your corresponding email that you've connected to your account. Okay, so that's it for today. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analysis you might be doing. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you need any more help when it comes to SEO ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!